Okay, ladies and gents, so this is what live action looks like over here on the Medley lead. This is the rock job. You can see it's rock hoppers filled with rocks. It's headed west. This is east over here in this direction. That's a 3-track crossing. As I said before, this area is very busy. It's a lot of switching. I kind of got here late, so you saw it in progress, but yeah. There's still quite a ways to go. Well, not really. Locomotives over there. But yeah, there's a couple of spurs that come out of there. You can see them like right over there. And then it's a 3-track crossing. You'll see the locomotive pretty soon. I think that might be an FEC unit, because sometimes over here, like Cemex, which is the quarry company, cement company, they have their own switcher. I believe it's 661. So it's engine number 510. Oh, I think that's the one that has, no. 510. One of those used to have the old candy stripe paint scheme, but it's not this one. Yeah, there it is. The paint stripe. Oh yeah, I called it. The candy cane paint stripe scheme. Nice. Now we'll see them go up. It kind of hit the gate on the. You see that? It's bent. All right, ladies and gents. Let me know what you thought about this video. Always a pleasure. Thank you for viewing. Take care of yourselves. Remember, I drop videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. Always a pleasure. Bye-bye.